So we're asked to express 56 as the product, that's things multiplied together, of its prime factors. Remember, prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves and 1. Now there are a couple of different ways of doing this, but I like the old factor tree way of doing it. Okay, so what we do is we look at 56 and we just find some factors of it, any factors you like. Okay, well I can see that 56 is, because I know my times tables, I know that that is 8 times 7. Doesn't matter if you start with different numbers, as long as they multiply together to give 56. Right, what about 8? Well, 8 is 2 times 4, is it not? Now, 2 is a prime number, so we've finished there. 4 is 2 times 2. And those are both prime numbers, so we've finished there and there. And in fact, when we go up to the next bit, 7 is also a prime number, so we've finished there. And we can simply say that 56 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. And we've just counted those off from here. 2, 2, 2, and 7. And there we go. That's factor trees for you.